Beyond tracking your borrower pipeline in Shape, you can also track and manage your referral partners. Oftentimes, these are going to be real estate agents or other key service providers tied to the loan file. As you can see here, we have different statuses or categories for your partners, which can be completely customized, including new partner prospects, building relationships, VIPs, and more. And you can also see the total linked referrals outlined on here as well. So just to open up Terry here, you can see in the referral tracking tab all of the borrowers associated with Terry. You can see how they're linked. For example, if they were the referral partner and or buying agent. We also track selling agents in here as well. Opening up another contact record, just switch the view to show you some other possibilities here. Of course, you have your partner information, which tracks your contact info, personal and social media, and additional tracking details, for example, any Realtor analytics that indicate their ranking. In addition, you can also have a QR code generator for your portal links. So if you wanted to co-brand with a referral partner, you can take your co-branded link and you can provide it to the referral partner. When the referral partner shares this with a borrower and they start filling out their online application, it will automatically tie that person, that referral partner, to the record, and that will show up in their referral tracking area. This referral tracking report can be exported. Also, referral partners have access to their own login in order to see everyone tied to them as the referral partner, or buying agent or selling agent. So they can actually log into a lite version of Shape to see all of that in one place. If you have any questions on referral partner tracking and management within Shape, let us know.